Hey guys, welcome back to Torque Racing Production. I'm Roland and this is Oakley Gunner, my little partner for today. He's going to be helping me reassemble the valve train on these 706 heads, and he's going to show you guys how to do it yourself. Let's get started. Okay guys, now listen, I'm far from a professional engine builder, but Gunner says that he is a professional engine builder. And he recommends that anytime you are reassembling an engine, if there is any parts that are going to be moving in the engine, then you should always reassemble it with some assembly lube. So that way, once they first fire up, they're not sliding into dry metal.
I can fix it, Lily. I know how to fix it, and I'm a strong builder.
I'll put that back over there. Sit it back over there. Okay, another good thing about the assembly lube is it actually helps to keep the valve in place while you're getting everything else ready. Alright guys, so as you can see, these of course are high performance springs. These are double springs, a lot stronger than stock. So make sure that you have your top retainer plate. You go ahead and put your valve springs over top of the valve. Alright, so if you look on your valve spring retainer clip, you'll notice that this portion up here is a little bit wider than this one. It's a beveled edge. So you want to put the smaller beveled edge down. So we'll put that right there. Okay, then you're going to take your valve spring compressor tool and go ahead and install that.
My hand's dirty. Look, my hand's dirty.
Your hand's dirty? Oh, of course, so make sure that your tool is seated properly on there. You want to make sure that you have enough room to see the retainer clips and the valve stem coming up between the retainer clips. All right, as my helper slowly tightens that up, you want to make sure that you're keeping an eye on your retainer clips and make sure that they're not popping up and popping out. So what that means is, go ahead and stop for just a second. Stop for just a second, thank you. So what that means is, at some points, you may have to stop tightening your compressor up. You might actually have to either like push or pull your valve spring compressor tool around just a little bit to get the retainer clips to seat down in there. All right, so this right here is the inside of the retainer clip, and you'll notice that there is a like a lip or like a hump that will actually sit right here on the valve stem.
Then, hello, Daddy.
Hello, baby. And that is what helps to, and that's what actually keeps this locked in place as it slides up. So as you're compressing this down, you want to make sure that you compress the spring low enough that this clip is able to go all the way down to the point to where this groove can clip in here.
Hello, I shrunk your worker.
Not yet. All right, so this side has now dropped down far enough that it can get in place, but this one cannot. This is what I was talking about, how you might have to push this over a little bit to get that to go down. Looks like it needs to go down another crank or two.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, baby. All right, as you can see, I was able to move that around a little bit, and now the clips have fallen into place. So now we simply loosen this up, and it's ready to go.
Where you go?
Alright guys, and that's it. So I hope this video has helped somebody, and if you don't care, hit that like button on the way out, guys. We'll see you guys later.
See you guys later.